111, this is one of your activities for representing numbers 1 through 10. So we are going to represent. We already did one video that was a review that taught you how we're going to represent. This time, this one's all on you, and this is your activity for the day. So picture that we're in our centers and you're working on this by yourself. So what you need for this is a paper and a writing utensil. For some of my friends though, I will say it may be easier if you go around and you find pieces of some sort. For my friends who need some help with the OT stuff, it may be easier for you to grab 10 pieces of some sort to do the counting. So I'm gonna say that is completely up to you. I'm gonna give you about 20 seconds to get yourself situated. So either have a paper and a marker or pencil, crayon, whatever you have, or get 10 pieces of some sort from your house, like Legos, spoons, pencils, whatever you have that you can count up to 10 objects, okay? So I'm going to give you a little bit of time to do that, and I'm going to get myself situated. Okay, so I came back. I'm going to have my paper so I can do it with some of my friends there. And I'm also going to have my pieces ready for my friends who are doing it with their pieces. So what I would like us to do is we are going to practice with this number first. So this is what number? 3. It is a 3. So this is the number 3 and we need to represent it. If you are doing this on a paper, at the top of it, how many lines are you going to draw? Or how many dots are you going to draw? 3. Nice job. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. So you'll have something like this looking on your paper. Okay? And then you're going to draw a line under it, just so you know that you finished number 1. If you use pieces, your board's going to look like this. You're going to have had 1, 2, 3. It's exactly the same, except this one we drew and this one you represented. So whatever works for you works for me, okay? For the purposes of this video, I'm going to just be drawing them when the time comes. So we did 3 together. Let's do one more together before you do it by yourself. This is what number? It's a 5. You're right, it is a 5. So on my piece of paper underneath my line, how many dots am I going to draw? 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was our first one. So we're not looking at that. We're just counting these ones. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, you could have done this with pieces or objects too. We're putting our line underneath to clear our board, show them we're doing a new one. Okay, very nice job representing. Again, there is the review video if you need to go back to practice this a little bit more, but this is our daily activity. Our next number that we're going to do, and you're going to do it underneath the line, is this number. What number is that? It is a 2. I'm going to give you about 10 seconds. You're going to do it by yourself on your paper. You are going to draw dots for the number 2 all by yourself, okay? So get going. Okay, so let's check each other. So put your fingers where it was. Did you have 1, 2? Very nice job representing it. If you have a piece of paper, please draw your line because that shows that we're doing the next one. Very nice job. Now this time, what I would like you to do for my friends who are drawing lines, can you please draw this number underneath that line? So we're drawing an 8. What number is it? 8. Now you can draw your dots, 8 dots by yourself in that area, okay? Make them nice, neat. So I'm going to do it too, and then I want to see what you get to see if we were right. Okay, so Miss M has her line and I have my number. Is this what yours looks like? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice job. Draw your line underneath. And this is our next number. I would like you to draw a 6. Whoop, a 6. What number? 6. So I'm going to draw a 6. I'm going to set you up so you can do the dots and representing by yourself. There's our 6. Please draw 6 dots. Miss M's going to do it too. 6 dots to represent. Okay, a couple more seconds. 6 dots or 6 objects you're lining up. Okay. Let's see, did Miss M do it right? Let's count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. Draw your line across to show we're doing a new one. Now this one. Let's draw that number. I'm not going to tell you what that number is, though. I want to see if you can do it by yourself. Draw this number. Okay, did you draw it? And I want you to represent it with the amount of dots you need. I'm not going to tell you what number this is. So see if you know how many dots you need to put with that number, and then we'll compare our answers. Okay, a couple more seconds to finish representing that number. So who knows what this number is? What number do you see? Very nice, it is a 7. You did find 7. So how many dots did I have to draw for that number then? 7. Awesome job, very nice job. Exactly, you had to draw 7. So let's see if yours looks like Miss M's. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we represented the number 7 with 7 dots. Very nice job on representing some of the numbers between 1 through 10. Really impressed with your hard work that you did on that. And remember, when you are representing anything, you can use any object or you can draw your dots or lines or whatever suits your fancy, okay? So very, very nice job. Pat yourself on the back. Boom, moving on to the next thing.